Charge going up, fire in the hole, go. 1. Left clear, servers on the right, main floor clear, moving deeper.
Room secure.
Left. Multiple terminals, all live. Drives in, pulling the data now. Package secured, moving out.
In this lesson, we're going to talk about time frames, how to read them, how to use them together, and how to choose the right one for your trading style. Every candlestick chart is built around time. Each candle represents a specific period, 1 minute, 5 minutes, 1 hour, 1 day. And within that time, you can see the battle between buyers and sellers. Time frames matter because they change how you see the market. A trend that looks strong on a 1-minute chart might look like noise on a 15-minute chart. A pullback on the hourly might look like a breakout on the 5-minute. The goal is to understand which time frame you're trading and how it connects to the bigger picture. Let's start with the main categories of traders and the time frames they use. Scalpers operate on the smallest charts, typically the 1 minute to 5 minute range. They look for quick setups, small moves, and precise entries, often holding trades for only a few minutes. Scalping requires focus, fast reactions, and tight risk management. Day traders focus on the 5-minute, 15-minute, and 1-hour charts. They look for setups that form during the session and close all trades by the end of the day. This is the most common style for YM and NQ traders because it balances opportunity with control. Swing traders look at the 1-hour, 4-hour, and daily charts. They hold positions for several days to capture larger market swings. This style requires more patience, but less screen time. The beauty of futures trading is that all these time frames are connected. The smaller ones build the bigger ones. Professionals use what's called multi-time frame analysis. They read the higher time frame for direction, the middle time frame for setup, and the lower time frame for entry. Here's how that works in practice. Suppose you're trading NQ. On the daily chart, you see a strong uptrend. That's your higher time frame bias, bullish. On the 1-hour chart, you see a clean pullback into a demand zone. That's your setup zone. On the 5-minute chart, you look for bullish candles or a breakout to confirm entry. This approach aligns your trade with the larger trend while still giving you precise timing for your entries. You're not fighting the market. You're trading in the same direction as institutional flow. Time frames also determine how much you risk and how long you wait. Smaller time frames require tighter stops and faster decisions. Higher time frames need larger stops but give you more time to react. A key principle to remember: the higher the time frame, the stronger the signal. A breakout confirmed on the 4-hour chart carries far more weight than one on the 1 minute. Use higher time frames to filter noise, define structure, and confirm direction. Use lower time frames for precision entries and exits. You can think of it like this. The higher time frame is your mission plan. The mid time frame is your staging ground. The lower time frame is your execution. Everything connects, from the big picture down to the smallest details. Here's a simple framework you can apply right now. Use the daily chart to identify overall trend direction and major zones. Use the 1-hour chart to find setups and key structure shifts. Use the 5-minute chart to time entries with confirmation candles. This multi-time frame process keeps you disciplined and prevents you from trading against momentum without realizing it. Remember, when you zoom in, you're not changing the trend. You're just looking at a smaller piece of it. Always make sure your trade plan aligns across multiple time frames before you execute. The takeaway is simple. Trade in the direction of the higher time frame, execute on the lower, and manage risk on all of them. In the next lesson, we'll dive into trading psychology and risk rules, how to develop the mindset that keeps you consistent, disciplined, and in control, even when the market gets emotional.